Prevent tile slippage on sloped kitchen floors by controlling gravity with quick mechanical support and disciplined small section work. Start by assessing the slope with a long level and mark high and low points to plan tile runs so cuts land in less visible areas. Mix thinset to a firm, non-sag consistency using the manufacturer recommended water to powder ratio, and only remix as needed to avoid overworking the adhesive. Use tile leveling clips and wedges immediately as you set each tile, placing them at the ends and every 8 to 12 inches for standard tiles and closer for larger formats. Tighten wedges, just enough to prevent movement without lifting the tile. Work in small patches, no larger than you can complete, and level within 20 to 30 minutes, adjusting technique if the thinset skins over quickly in warm environments. For noticeably sloped areas, use a thicker buttering coat on the tile back combined with a full butter and back butter method on the substrate so you achieve full contact and reduce voids that allow rocking. Keep a straight edge and a 2-foot level on hand and check alignment after each row, tapping gently with a rubber mallet and re-leveling clips as necessary to maintain uniform grout joints and plane. The most common mistake is applying too thin a bed of thinset, which lets gravity pull tiles down before cure. Solve this by using a properly sized notch trowel and back buttering heavy tiles for complete coverage. A second issue is working too large an area so thinset begins to set before tiles are supported. Avoid this by limiting your spread to what you can set and level in the open working time, and by staging work so each tile is clipped and wedged promptly. The third frequent problem is relying solely on suction or gravity to hold tiles, which allows slumping on slopes. Add temporary shims, support blocks, or wood braces for heavy or large format pieces until the thinset has firm grab to prevent lateral shift. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives contractors a way to find work that matches their skills and service area. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from real installations to tackle sloped kitchen floors together.